50 to 100 kilometers longer. Maybe like 50 to 60.
That's where my parents live. We have a lot of companies in
Is it that close? Yeah.
Yeah. From my home to Vienna is like 6 hours driving.
with car.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
No, it's not. From my place to Finland, which is the first place in Austria. First place in Austria. It's 1.5 hour drive.
Okay. Yeah, but it's not bad.
It's very close.
Yeah.
What do I do?
They make buses.
Yes, I get red.
Oh, yes. Now it's starting. Okay.
Well, I hope we can have a break on there.
Have some oil on the knife.
I'm gonna go with.